The idea of a bridge spanning the Golden Gate, the narrow strait, connecting San Francisco Bay to the Pacific Ocean, had been discussed for decades. In the early 20th century, engineer Joseph Strauss proposed a design that would make the bridge a reality. After overcoming legal and financial hurdles, construction began on the Golden Gate Bridge in 1933. The project took just over 4 years to complete, finishing ahead of schedule and under budget. The end result was an engineering marvel, the longest and tallest suspension bridge in the world at the time. The final design of the Golden Gate Bridge was a collaborative effort between several experts. Chief engineer Joseph Strauss oversaw the overall project, but turned to consulting engineers like Leon Moisseiff and Charles Ellis for the bridge's structural design. Architect Irving Morrow was responsible for the bridge's iconic Art Deco aesthetic, including the distinctive orange color. The team had to overcome significant technical challenges, like the bridge's immense scale and the strong winds and currents of the Golden Gate Strait. Building the Golden Gate Bridge was an enormous undertaking, requiring over 100,000 tons of steel and 600,000 rivets. The construction process was dangerous, with 11 workers losing their lives, but the project also pioneered new safety measures, like a movable safety net that saved 19 workers who fell during construction. The Golden Gate Bridge officially opened to the public on May 27, 1937. After just over 4 years of work, the Golden Gate Bridge is renowned for its striking appearance, with the suspension cables and towers creating a graceful, iconic silhouette. The signature international orange color was chosen to complement the natural surroundings and enhance the bridge's visibility in fog. The bridge's design and aesthetics have earned it numerous accolades, including being named one of the wonders of the modern world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. The Golden Gate Bridge carries U.S. Route 101 and California State Route 1 across the strait, connecting San Francisco to Marin County. It also features pedestrian and bicycle lanes, making it a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Tolls are only collected from southbound traffic, with rates fluctuating over the years. The bridge has also been the site of numerous protests and stunts over the decades. While an engineering marvel, the Golden Gate Bridge has also been the site of many tragedies. It is the world's most popular suicide site, with over 1,500 deaths since its opening. In response, a suicide prevention net is currently being installed at a cost of over $200 million. The bridge has also faced other challenges, including the need for regular maintenance and seismic retrofitting to withstand earthquakes. The Golden Gate Bridge has undergone significant improvements and retrofitting over the years to enhance its safety and resilience. In the 1950s, lateral bracing was added to address torsional instability. In the 1980s, the original concrete deck was replaced with a lighter steel orthotropic deck, and in the 2000s, a $392 million seismic retrofit program was undertaken to better protect the bridge against earthquake damage. These ongoing efforts help ensure the Golden Gate Bridge remains a beloved and vital part of the San Francisco landscape for generations to come.